Hello, welcome back for lesson number 25. I put a title called Repeat. We are going to repeat the last lesson's operation on different island. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. Today's content, as usual, we need to open the last lesson file and then continue with the lesson. This is the result on the previous lesson, so we have to double click to hide the last operation and make a copy of it. Right mouse click, paste that operation to the existing operation. Then we can use the remove button by right mouse clicks to remove the profile. Add in a new one by creating a new profile for it. Select profile, then click OK. Select the 11 curves that you can see on the screen, then click OK. Right, we need to set it outside so that we can cut the outer profile of the island. Click OK. Right mouse click on the operation so that we can update the parameter. Only parameter that we need to update are a few only. One of them is the position of 0,11.25, which is the starting point. Set the color, calculate, and then looks good. We do a verify. You can see ultimately you can go to the depth of 14 minus 0.5, which is the z-axis at the depth. Then click OK. Looks good. Then we can continue with OK and perform a solid verify. This is the profile that it looked like, and then follow with analysis to show you that everything looks good, nothing was overcut. Then we can continue to save the file and we show you the step-by-step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step-by-step how to accomplish the task. First, we double-click the previous operation, collapse it, right mouse click, copy, go to the operation, right mouse click, paste that operation, remove the profile, and we're going to add a new profile. Say create profile, click OK. Then we need to tilt a little bit on the part so that easier for us to pick. Start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Click OK. We're going to use it for outside. Click OK. Right mouse, edit. Nothing to change over here. We just need to set the path setting. Change this one 11.25. Change the color. This one. Calculate. Everything looks good. Let us do a verify. Set the G54. You can drag this one faster and then we can see Z minus 14.5, which is the last depth of the operation. Click OK. Click OK. We're going to perform a solid verify. Set the speed. Play. OK. Option, analyst, visual. Take a look. Everything's okay. We save the file. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something out of it. I see you as the next lesson. Bye bye.